Hey guys, Pete here with Pete's How To's and Reviews. Today's video is going to be showing you from the beginning to the end of a kitchen remodel. This specific project was not only a kitchen remodel, it was a total house remodel. But I'm just going to show you the kitchen. It's not too detailed, so you're not going to see how things are installed or anything like that. You're just going to see kind of the process that we went through from start to finish and our thought process behind each step we took. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. Thanks very much for tuning in and hope you enjoy this video. Here you'll see the original kitchen that was installed when the client had their house built. Nice wood kitchen. It had some nice details to it. We had it covered up because we were trying to keep it. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep it. We were informed by the hygienist that it should come out just because the flood water did get into the house and it affected the cabinets and the walls behind the cabinets. So a remediation company went in there and they removed the base cabinets and the walls about 24 inches high. And then we determined we're going to go ahead and remove the wall cabinets along with the backsplash. Once all that stuff is removed, at that point obviously we'd have to go ahead and reinstall some drywall. We will almost have a blank slate to play with up to a certain point. For instance, as you can see, everything pretty clean now. You don't have any cabinets, just bare walls. You got some electrical hanging out of the wall for the under cabinet lighting. But we would have to keep the appliances in the spots they were in. We couldn't move too much for a few reasons. One reason is because, or the most important reason is because we had to reuse the existing countertop. Since we had to reuse the existing countertop, we were limited on what we could do with the space. But that being said, the refrigerator had to stay there in that spot because of where the water line is located. The range and the hood had to stay in that area. So there's the range and then you got the hood right above that. And keep in mind the hood location if you ever do want to try to move things around. And then your plumbing is in this wall right there. Overall, this is what we're going to be working with, or what we did work with. And here's the design I came up with for the client. There's an after photo, and then you're going to see another angle of this design, so you can see all angles of the kitchen. And I tried to have corresponding photos to go with each design that I'm showing. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.